Hi, this is Phil with Heart of Texas Federal Credit Union. I want to talk today about a financial topic I've been asked about lately several times, and that is, how do I rebuild my credit? It's low. I'm not even getting approved for loans. How do I do it? Okay, I'm going to give you a couple of really important tips. Tip one, and the most important one. The model looks at the last 2 years the most of how you're paying on your credit cards, your auto loan, personal loans, home. And if any of those or all are past due, get them current as soon as you can. But once you have those current, the model's going to see, okay, it's current. They're looking at the last 2 years, so a year down the road, definitely your score is up, 2 years up significantly. Number two, the model looks at credit cards, credit limits. It looks at the limit that you have and how much you owe versus the limit. So if you have two credit card accounts and let's say the limit's $10,000 on both and you owe $9,500, the model will score you down. Conversely, and ideally, you want to pay that balance to 30% of the limit or less. That will help significantly with your credit score. Number three, and this relates to the other two, build an emergency fund. Life events happen to everyone. And when they do, appliance goes out. It's a major car repair. I'm going to buy car tires. Those items are expensive. It's really nice to have the rainy day fund of $1,000 or more. The final tip is collection items. They hurt your score. They're on there a lot of times for 7 years. If they're smaller in particular, it looks good to pay them off. Whether it be a medical bill, maybe it's an old cell phone bill, pay it off if you can. It will help your score. The great news is challenge credit can be improved, and it can be improved in a relatively short period of time depending on your circumstances. And so if you're approved for a loan, for one, it's harder to get approved with slow credit. But number two, if you're approved, you pay a higher rate than somebody with very good credit. So let's rebuild credit, help the rate that we're borrowing at, and improve our financial lives. My name is Phil with Heart of Texas Federal Credit Union. We care about your financial wellness.